Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and massive volume. Granted, the entire market today was crazy, but this is an interesting setup because there's really one of two things that looking like it's going to happen, and everything revolves around this area down here at the 38-cent mark. 38 cents represents a very important level because that is where, this was some very, very nasty bleeding. This was very, very nasty movement, but it finally leveled off right there and got the bounce. But here's the interesting part is now the price is rolled back over, and the next interesting part is the price is essentially right back at that level. So we have a couple scenarios here. This is just the beginning of a much nastier move, of a much bigger move to the downside. So, it potentially could get that much nastier going forward. Or this is the beginning part of, when the world of charts, what we would call a double bottom pattern. The first bottom is already formed right there. But if this thing can level out right here, then there's a great chance that it could bounce very nicely back to the upside, hence a double bottom pattern. Now, again, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, which is why I want to start off first with the fact of, this could just be a flush. So that is why risk management, risk control is so very, very important because, yeah, this could very well be a beautiful double bottom that creates an extremely, extremely nice bounce to the upside. But, like I said, this could just be the start of something where it's just going to break down through there and get that much nastier, which is why stop losses and all that is very, very important. But from a risk versus reward scenario, very interesting setup going forward. In the event this is a double bottom and the price starts to bounce back upwards, key level of resistance to watch going into not necessarily Tuesday, but for the foreseeable future, right up here at the 58-cent mark. So we'll see what happens with it. But like I said, certainly an interesting setup moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.